lean into this. This is okay. Don't overthink this. Get started today. Focus on a few things. Get the most out of your tech stack. Measure what matters and make sure that what you're applying in there is actually working. So always keep that learning piece going. You do not need to think about going into a massive, great project and launching that out there with all the fear that can come in and around that. Start it and build that early and do it all with the business. That you're the partner for the business and you need to sit as those trusted advisors.
It turns out a lot of the things that we measure in TA are actually quite heavily exposed to artificial intelligence, which means we end up spending a lot of time doing the work that AI will ultimately disrupt. We need to be thinking about how do we measure the sort of work that AI is, that is insulated from AI, and can we put a metric against that? So I think organizations that are able to think along those lines and start building towards the sort of work that humans can do and measuring that, they're the ones that are going to stay ahead of the game.
There's always been an appetite to make data-driven decisions, but now it's become easier to do that. And I think that's been paved by other industries that do use numbers and do use metrics to make a point, in the sense that a lot of discussions around people are quite subjective. But when you're looking at a needs of an organization point of view, a lot of that can actually be viewed in a data-centric point of view as well.
I do think it's important not to hastily jump on the hype bandwagon of tech and AI. I think, yes, we need to be aware, but also make strategic decisions about how to have an optimized blend of use case and then action that's fit for the purpose. What are you trying to solve for? I think looking into the future, organizations need to think carefully about how to balance it all, how to use, and then how to adopt that technology and AI potentially to enhance the recruitment process.